Hi, it's Britt with ShirtSpace. Today we're going to talk about a Gildan tee with long sleeves that aims to please. If you want to know more, stick around. Hi guys! The Gildan G840 Adult 5.5 ounce 50/50 long sleeve t-shirt is a great t-shirt for work, to wear underneath heavier winter gear, or as an everyday comfortable t-shirt. This preshrunk 50/50 cotton polyester blend t-shirt is great for many garment decorating projects, but we'll tell you more on that later. For now, we just like to tell you that 50/50 cotton polyester blend tees are very popular in the world of garment decoration. This is because cotton poly blends are typically less likely to shrink, more durable, and often cheaper than 100% cotton options. What's not to love? The G840 is made from DryBlend material that has moisture-wicking capabilities. This means that the fabric does not let the sweat sit on the skin, where odor and bacteria can quickly breed. Perspiration is pulled away from the body so that the wearer is more comfortable as well. Double needle stitching throughout, a seamless collar, shoulder-to-shoulder tape, and ribbed cuffs make this a quality shirt that's constructed to last. This shirt is also transitioning to a tearaway label. This is great for the average person who hates tags, and even better for the apparel decorator who doesn't want to broadcast that they did not in fact manufacture the shirt. For those that need high visibility colors for work, for hunting, or if you do athletic activities on the roadside, this shirt comes in safety orange and safety green. Imagine stocking up on this shirt for such a low price and never having to worry about having a clean work shirt again. The G840 comes in 15 neutral and bright shades. Choose black, gray, or white to offset a busy pattern or to make a bright or bold color really pop. Go for a neon shade or red or blue if you want something more colorful. This shirt is perfect for screen printing, so go ahead and use water-based, discharged, or plastisol inks no problem. You can also use heat transfer vinyl, but as always, check your heat settings. You're safe to embroider or to direct to garment print, but if you want a tie-dye, continue your search and look for something with a higher cotton content. The Gildan G840 comes in sizes small to 3XL, so you can go check it out right now at ShirtSpace.com, the best place to visit for all of your blank apparel needs. If you have another t-shirt or a topic or sweatshirt you'd like us to cover, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a wonderful day.